Câu mới nào. What animal is it?
Elephant.
Okay, how many elephant do you see?
1, 2, 3.
Yeah, so you circle number 3, okay? Now where is number 3? You circle number 3. Now here, look. What number is it?
Number 3.
Yes, so you circle number 3. You circle number 3 like this, okay? Yay, it's correct. Okay, now.
Need to lay
How many animals here? Now, let's count.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6.
Yeah, so what number do you?
Number 6.
Okay, where is number 6? You circle number 6. Yeah, good job. And what animal is this?
Kangaroo.
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 It's kangaroo.
Kangaroo.
And what animal is this?
1,
No.
2.
Two. How many kangaroo? How many kangaroo? There are 2.
2 kangaroo.
Yes, and how many penguin?
Một chiếc con 2.
Penguin, how many? Okay.
Một chiếc con.
Okay. How many penguin? 1.
1, 2, 3, 4.
4. Okay, 4 penguin. 4 penguin and 2 kangaroo. So,
Cô đâu? Cô đâu?
no. Total are 6, okay? Total are 6. Okay. Okay, number. Yes. Wow, tôi mới. Now, what animal is this? It's a.
Con người.
Yeah, it's a monkey. And what animal is this? What animal is this?
Đâu quá.
What animal is this? Okay. How many animals? Now 1.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8.
8. So where is number 8?
8.
Yeah, very good. You circle number 8. Yeah, how many polars and how many monkey and how many penguin? Now how many polar bear?
Mà ở đây thì chắc nè.
Okay.
Mà ở này thì chắc nè.
Yes. How many polar bear? 1, 2. There are two polar bears and 1, 2, 3. 3 monkey. And how many penguin? 2, 1, 2. 2 penguin. And how many snake? How many snake?
Con nè.
Yeah, very good. Now, okay. This box. Number 4. How many animals do you see? Now, let's all count together. 1,
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9,
9.
10.
So, where is number 9? Where is number 9? You circle number 9.
Đâu?
Okay, you circle number 9. Where is number 9? Yeah, good job. Okay. Now in this activity, you will circle the same, the animal, the same size, okay? Now here, for example, in the first line, here is the same size, okay? Elephant and what animal is this? Wait, what animal is this? Tom? Is it a penguin or kangaroo?
Penguin.
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 It's a penguin. So what penguin? Which penguin are the same size? Now, which penguin are the same size? Which one? Which one is the same size? Here, 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 or here?
Here.
No, it's smaller.
Here.
It's very big.
Here.
Yeah, it's the same size, okay? Same size. Okay? And what animal is this?
Snail.
What animal is this?
Snail.
No, it's not snake. Snake here. Here is kangaroo.
Snail mà.
Kangaroo.
Snail.
Okay, snake here. Okay, you circle the same side. No, it's very small. Yes. Good job. Okay, use your right hand. How about kangaroo? Yes, okay. It's okay. Okay. No, stop.
Ôi, ba đây. Ba đây.
You circle like this, okay? How about the kangaroo? Which kangaroo is the same size? Which kangaroo is the same size? I think here, this one? No, it's very big.
It's a mole.
This one is small or big?
Mole.
Yay, very good. So, this one. This one is correct. And what animal is this?
Panda.
Polar bear.
Polar bear.
Yeah, polar bear. And which polar bears is the same size?
Here.
Yeah. Is it big or small?
Big.
Yes, very good. And what animal is this?
Monkey.
Yes, okay, you find the monkey
Here.
is the same size.
Here. Here.
Which one?
Here.
Yeah, good job. Very good. Now can you read aloud again? Elephant.
Elephant. Thunderbolt.
Penguin.
Penguin. Kangaroo. Snake.
Very good job.
Panda bear.
Polar bear.
Polar bear. Monkey.
Yes,
Polar bear.
very good job.
Snake.
Oh, good job.
Kangaroo.
Yeah, excellent.
Panda bear.
Now,
Panda bear.
penguin.
Penguin.
Here is polar bear, okay? Penguin.
Penguin. Elephant. Kangaroo.
Penguin. Penguin.
Penguin.
Rồi.